Welcome to I Am Civil Engineer. Today, we're diving into the world of RCC beams, focusing on singly and doubly reinforced beams. What's the difference between them, and when should you use one over the other? Let's explore these concepts in detail. When designing RCC beams, engineers can choose between singly and doubly reinforced beams. But what exactly sets them apart, and in what scenarios should each type be used? A singly reinforced beam is a beam that has steel reinforcement only in the tension zone. This type of beam is typically used in situations where the load on the beam is relatively small and the concrete is strong enough to handle the compression forces without additional reinforcement. However, it's not feasible to have reinforcement only in the tension zone, as we need to hold the stirrups in position. As a result, the IS code suggests providing at least 2 reinforcement bars in the compression zone to secure the stirrups. On the other hand, a doubly reinforced beam has steel reinforcement in both the tension and compression zones. This type of beam is used when the load on the beam is greater, and the concrete alone cannot handle the compression forces. Such conditions arise when the depth of the beam is limited, and the strength available from a singly reinforced section is insufficient to withstand the bending moment with only the tensile reinforcement. For example, if the floor height is not sufficient to accommodate the required depth of a singly reinforced beam, we increase the reinforcement to adapt to the limited depth. Increasing the amount of steel only in the tension zone may not be enough to enhance the moment of resistance. Thus, a doubly reinforced beam is adopted to increase the strength in beams with limited dimensions. In conclusion, the choice between a singly and doubly reinforced beam depends on the load the beam must carry and the strength of the concrete. If the load is relatively small and the concrete can handle the compression without reinforcement, a singly reinforced beam may be used. However, if the load is greater and the concrete alone cannot handle the compression forces, a doubly reinforced beam is necessary. Whether you're a structural engineer, an architecture student, or simply interested in civil engineering, understanding the difference between singly and doubly reinforced beams is essential for the design process. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of when each type of beam is most appropriate and the key differences between them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful tutorials from I Am Civil Engineer. See you next time.